It's awesome having you here today. I have something very exciting to share with you. So I want you to stick to this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, welcome to this channel. In this channel, I teach you things you can do to make money online for yourself and also improve on yourself. Like I said, I have something very exciting for you today. So what is it? I want to show you how you can start a real estate business here in Nigeria with as low as 10,000 naira or more. And let me just say, according to your pocket size, the minimum 10,000 naira above. It can be even a little bit less. Let me say 6,000 naira. I know you're ready for that. In this country, or let me say the world at large, real estate is a very big business. If you are doing real estate business, you're a big boy. Yes, if you are doing it the right way. I love people into real estate, but are not really big. But if you are doing it the right way, follow who know that, as they used to say. You will be making it big. But because of that, because of the kind of capital, excuse me, you need to start up the business. It has made a lot of people shy away from the business or start making something for themselves. But I discovered that a new way you can also make money, make little money with little investment from real estate. And your investment will surely increase, because we know real estate, it's all about investing in land and properties, and as we know, properties always increase in value. So now let me just go straight to. So this is this platform I discovered recently, where you can own a property in fraction. Let me say, for instance, you have a room self-contained. You can own a fraction of that property, or let me say a group of people can own that same property, and they get to share the profit as the property increases in value. And as long as people are renting the apartment, they are able to also earn rent according to their investment. So this platform, the name of this platform is called Cribstock. You can see it here. Let me show you. You can see it here. Cribstock, that's the name of this platform. This platform can help you create new monthly income. No be joke. It can help you create new monthly income. So let me just show you what Cribstock is all about. Let me go to the about us page to see what Cribstock is all about. Wow, about us. Cribstock is solving a hard problem faced by over 250 million Africans. Yes, that's true. The average real estate owner age in Africa starts at 25. I start at 45. Through fractional ownership of property, more young people can own real estate and enjoy similar benefit of a landlord. That means just owning a fraction of a property, you can also enjoy the benefit of a landlord. That depends on how much you're investing. Like I said, the minimum is 10k above. If you have 10k, yes, you should be able. Yes, you're even capable. If you have 10k, 10,000 naira. And you can also convert that to other currencies, depending on where you're watching the video. If you're watching from Ghana, just convert 10,000 naira to Ghana cedis, or anywhere you're watching this video. So this platform, you can own a property and also become a landlord. Let's scroll down. You can see this company, they are genuine. You can meet our founders. You can see the chief executive officer. You can see the operational manager. You can see the front-end engineer. And you can also see below here their contact details, their email address, their WhatsApp phone number, their working hours. You can see their handles here, the social media handles. You can see them here. You can see the products and services they offer here. You can see the support company. You can see the about, team of us, the privacy policy, the disclaimer and the like. So let's check the disclaimer. Let's see what's there. The information provided on this website does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of these websites content as such. Cribstock does not recommend that any property stock should be bought, sold, or held by you. Ensure to carry out your own due diligence, and if need be, contact your financial advisor before making any investment decision. So you can see they are just warning you. You don't force anybody. They are not forcing anybody. So they are not advising you to come and invest, and I'm not also advising you to invest. I'm just showing you another way which you can make money for yourself. In these days it is very, very easy to spend, but it's very, very hard to invest. Or let me say save. Saving and investing are different things. Or you invest out of your savings. You save for emergency. Yeah. But for me, my own principle of saving, I save for investment. To invest. So this video, I'm not forcing you, or I'm not advising you to invest with them, because I'm not a financial advisor. So you can contact your financial advisor, like they said. So I'm just trying to introduce the website to you. You can just do your own research and see how it is. But this video, I won't be showing you how to sign up with this website. I'm just trying to show you what this website is all about. So let me see what this company is all about. Cribstock, it's all about. And you can see here some of the properties they have. You can see the properties. Here you can see the value for the property, the price for the property. You can see the market cap, 30 days, 1 year. This is the percentage you're getting depending on your investment. Volume 24 hours. Available supply. So these are the available supply of stocks. So you can just do your research about this platform. Go on YouTube and browse more video talking about this platform for you to get more clear understanding. So if you're interested in signing up, you can just come and click sign up. But like I said, I'm not showing you how to sign up with this platform. I'll be doing another video separately showing you step by step how to sign up and also invest your money in it. So life is all about risk, and life itself is risky. It is risky to invest, and it's also risky not to invest. So it's your choice. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. You can contact your financial advisor for financial advice. I'm just showing you this video, or treating this video for educational purpose. That's just it. Thank you so much for staying this long. I really appreciate it. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you can be the first to get notification anytime I drop a new video. And make sure you click the thumb up button, and make sure you drop a comment in the comment box. If you know you've gained value from this video, just drop in the comment box value. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch every other video I drop on this channel. Thank you for your support. I love you.